A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have done the chapter decimals, okay, so we are doing the chapter decimal, in which we are actually doing the operations on decimals. So in exercise 8.5 you have done the sums, where we have done addition of decimal numbers. So now this is the last exercise of the chapter, which is subtraction. So you can see this is the first question, is very simple. Subtract this from this. Now you know all this, that जो from के बाद लिखा होता है, that number you have to write first, then you have to subtract 18.25 rupees. And as I told you, first of all you have to check whether the units are same or not. जब भी आपको addition या subtraction करना है, you have to see whether the units are same or not. So it will be 20.75 minus 18.25. Okay, so when you will subtract, normal subtraction है आपका, just one thing you have to take care, as in addition, that the number should come, the decimal should come below decimal, and number should be written in a proper way. So 5 minus 5 will give you 0, 7 minus 2 will give you 5, then 10 you will take carry from here, 10 minus 8 will give you 2, and 1 minus 1 will give you 0. Okay, so the answer will be 2.50 rupees. Don't forget to write the unit. Similarly, B part also have done. This is also in meter, this is also in meter, so you can directly subtract. So 250, which is this one, 0.00 I am writing because this number is in decimal form. So 202.54, which is giving you 47.46 meter. Okay, so this way you have to do the normal subtraction. So second question is also simple, where it is given that you have to find the value of, now यहाँ पे directly आपको subtraction दिया है, and as I told you, you have to write the first number 9.756, then you will write decimal below decimal, then you will write 6.28, फिर बाकी जगह आप 0 लिख के you can just subtract. So you can see 6 minus 0 is 6, then 15 you will take carry. बाकी operation is absolutely same as the normal subtraction. So 15 minus 8 will give you 7, and then 6 minus 2 will give you 4, 9 minus 6 will give you 3. So the answer is 3.476. Okay. Similarly, this one also 11.6. Ab 6 के आगे only one digit is there after decimal, but here you have 3 digits. So you will have to put 2 zeros by yourself here, and then you will write the next number and then do normal subtraction. So this way you have to do subtraction. Then you can see there are some word problems, okay, which you have to complete. Some I'm doing for you. It is exactly same, just you have to write in statement form. So Raju gave 50 rupees to shopkeeper. He has to purchase a book which is of 35 rupees 65 paise, rupees 35.65. Okay, and he gave 50 rupees to shopkeeper. So shopkeeper will give him some money back. So how much will be the money that you have to calculate? So it will be 50 minus 35.65. Okay, so 50.00 minus 35.65. This is normal subtraction. Answer is 14.35. So you will just write Raju will get back rupees 14.35. Okay, so this is the answer. Then 4, 5, 6 all are simple questions you have to do by your own. I am doing the 7th question. So 7th question is a combination of addition and subtraction. It is given that weight of onions is 3 kg 500 gram. Okay, so what you have to do, first you will convert this in kg. So it is 3.500 kg. Now you know how to convert. Okay, so 3.500 kg. Weight of tomatoes is 2 kg 75 gram. So it will be 2.075 kg. Okay, and then remaining vegetables in the bag are potatoes. Okay, एक बैग है, उसमें 3 टाइप की सब्जियां हैं, अनियन, टमेटो एंड पोटैटो. नाउ जो टोटल वेट है वेजिटेबल्स का, दैट इज 10 kg. आउट ऑफ दैट 10 kg, दिस मच इज द वेट ऑफ ऑनियंस, दिस मच इज द वेट ऑफ टमेटोज. ओके, सो टोटल वेट, तो आप सबसे पहले यू विल फाइंड आउट द टोटल वेट ऑफ अनियंस एंड टोमेटोज इन द बैग, विच इज 3.500 plus 2.075. This is little confusing, that's why I'm explaining. ओके एक बैग है, उसमें अनियंस हैं, टमेटोज हैं एंड पटेटोज हैं. उस बैग का टोटल वेट 10 kg है, जिसमें से 3.5 kg अनियन है, 2.075 kg है टमेटो. तो क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि पोटैटो का वेट कितना है बैग में. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड द टोटल वेट ऑफ onion and tomato, which is 5.575 kg. Now remaining are potatoes. So weight of potato is equal to total weight, which is 10 kg, minus this weight, which is 5.575 kg. So ये आपका normal subtraction है. 10.000 subtraction minus 5.575. So the answer is 4.425 kg. So the weight of potatoes is 4 kg 425 grams. Okay, so this is the final answer. So I hope all of you have understood. So the homework is you have to complete this exercise 8.6. Thank you.